gentlemen, fire up your ride with the new CBR 150R. It's getting red on the tricolor.
Ito yung bagong Z900. Nice! First time natin nakita in person. Z900 2025 model SE. Alright. So we are here at the Honda booth dito sa Inside Racing. So meron silang ilo-launch ng mga bagong motorcycles.
Ayos ba?
Ma'am Jean, good morning!
Sabi niya,
Today, we will be welcoming awesome rides and it will power your dreams. These are bikes designed to fire up and boost your ride using our official hashtag Honda at Inside Racing Bike Fest 2025. Ang dami natin i-reveal, so hold on tight. So let's discover the bike that will fire up your ride. Let's go!
Ladies and gentlemen, fire up your ride with the new CBR 150R. It's getting red on the tricolor. Designed with a new striking Fireblade-inspired look, this powerful 149cc bike combines style and performance like never before. Equipped with a 4-stroke, 4-valve, liquid-cooled engine that will surely fire up your ride for on-road sports. The new CBR 150R features a new graphic design with inverted front fork, built for those who crave the thrill of speed on 2 wheels. With a suggested retail price of 183,900 pesos. Ladies and gentlemen, the new XR150L in black. Also available in brush white color variant. Featuring its striking new body graphics that ensures you ride in style without sacrificing performance. Equipped with new digital meter panel for easier riding information check. With a suggested retail price of 97,900 pesos. Prepare for an adventure free from boundaries and experience the great outdoors like there's no end on the road. Ladies and gentlemen, the new CRF 300L and the new CRF 300 Rally in extreme red. Engineered for thrill seekers, now made even more striking and aggressive with its 286cc 4-stroke 4-valve DOHC liquid-cooled engine that fires and elevates your off-road riding experience. These 2 new models feature the latest Honda CRF sticker design with an inverted front fork and double disc brake, ensuring safe and a more enjoyable ride. The CRF 300 Rally is equipped with a premium slip-resistant blue seat for ultimate comfort. With a suggested retail price of 269,900 pesos for the new CRF 300L and 309,900 pesos for the new CRF 300 Rally. Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new CRF 250 RX in extreme red. This non-street legal off-road competition bike will take you to a different kind of adrenaline rush, as it will surely give you the joy of riding motocross tracks. With its 249cc liquid-cooled 4-stroke DOHC single-cylinder 5-speed manual, new Honda selectable torque, and new aluminum design frame, 49mm upside-down front fork, and Pro-Link rear suspension. Suggested retail price will be available this April 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new CRF 250R in extreme red. Coming soon in the Philippine market this April 2025.
Wow, look at those beautiful items right now. Our units are here for all of you.
Everyone, the Honda booth is now open here at the 17th Inside Racing Bike Festival and Trade Show.
Alright. Ito na yung bagong Honda CBR 150R. Ganda, no? Yung mga bagong motor ng Honda. Karamihan rally bikes eh. Pero okay ito, ganda. Rally CRF. Sir Ikimoto, sir. Yung mga mahilig mag-motocross, matutuwa dito sa mga bagong release ni Honda. Diba, very classic look. Honda Giorno Plus. White, orange, beige, and black. Alright, pasyal ko na kayo dito sa Inside Racing event. Ito yung bagong Z900. Nice! First time natin nakita in person. Z900 2025 model SE. Ito yung mayroon na quick shifter, cruise control. Ganda pala. Ganda ng mags, oh. Ito palang SE na bago is 633,000 pesos. Then yung standard variant naman is 566K. For me, sulit na yung price increase, ha. Kasi nga, quick shifter na to. May cruise control. Ibang-iba na yung control sa'yo. Mode, select. Ito yung cruise control, plus, minus. Ganda. And iba na rin yung panel niya. Mas malaki na to. Then yung upuan, very plush. Ibang-iba na rin doon sa previous version. Yung pillion, mas malambot na, guys. Buti naman, in-improve nila. So sa mga bibili ng Z9 ngayon, sobrang sulit to. Alright. In terms of seat height naman, same pa rin. Ganda. Ganda. Iba na rin pala yung side mirror. Dami na bago. Naka-Brembo na to kasi SE eh. And of course, Collins. Ito yata yung yung scooter ng Kawasaki, no? Ngayon ko lang din nakita in person. Kawasaki Broski 125. Hi! Meron ding Repsol booth dito. Kaya ko nang gustong itry yung oil nila eh. Tingnan nga natin kung meron silang 10W30 for Honda ADV. Ito meron 10W30 MB. Ito na ito yung pang ADV 160. So sa mga nakatry na nito sa ADV 160 nila, pa-comment naman kung kamusta yung performance ito.
May promo ko niyan.
Repsol Smarter 10W30. Ito, Matic MB for scooter. And of course, Shell Advance. Hello ma'am, good morning. Kaya okay pumunta ng Bike Fest ng first day, tapos medyo agahan nyo para konti lang yung tao. Grabe naman ang baba nito. Oh. Classic scooters. Kung ganito yung mga trip nyo, pwede nyo pasyalan dito sa Inside Racing. Carbon Tech. Hindi. Carbon Tech pala. Sorry. Very nice. Nice bike. Sabi na Yoshimura yung exhaust eh. Hindi ko alam kung ano nandito sa loob. Ano ba to? NOS ba yan? Royal Enfield naman dito. Ito siguro yung bagong model nila. Nasa gitna eh. Sure looks nice. Gusto ko yung kulay. Ganda, ganda. Guerrilla 450. And ito naman yung adventure bike nila. Madami ring motorcycle gear and accessories dito. Ito mga riding shoes, riding boots. Hi, good morning. Oh, sure, please. Thank you. Brother, long time ah.
Long time no see.
So may racing sim pala dito sa Aprilia. Pero totoong bike ang gagamitin mo. First turn, ayun. Sarap siguro na may ganyan sa bahay, no? Ito naman guys, yung RS457 ng Aprilia. Yun, nakahiga na literal, yun. Gusto itong white. Ito pearl white. And then here at the KTM booth, may Husqvarna din dito. This is the new Vitpilin 401 and Svartpilin 401. Sir Martin, good morning.
Hi.
Sir Martin from Lucky Mappy and Sir Dan, KTM. Here's the RC200, the 200 Duke. Hi, good morning. And here's the 390 Duke. May Volga rin dito, high performance engine oil. Ito pala yung model nila, si Madam Idol Moto. Hi, good morning. We have Valvoline here. Parang ang daming ano dito engine oil, no? Ito naman, EcoPro e-bikes. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. And syempre, we're a big fan of this brand, Pirelli. Hi, good morning. Thank you. Alright, ano to? Diablo Rosso Sport. Tanong nga natin kung meron silang Diablo Rosso scooter for ADV 160. Alright, so natanong na natin, wala silang same size ng stock sa harapan for ADV 160. Yung stock kasi ng ADV 160 sa harapan is 110, 80, 14. Pero walang ginawang ganun si Pirelli for the Diablo Rosso scooter. Ang meron lang sila is 110, 70, 14. So mas manipis ng konti. So ito siya, 110, 70, 14. Ito naman yung sa likod, 130, 70, 13. Hello ma'am. Morning. Alam, gusto ko i-try ito Ito yung pabilisan ng reflexes Ito naman Petronas. Puro oil talaga no? Daming trophy nito Champion bike siguro to. Malamang champion nga, nakalagay na nga dito Overall champion. Yan, ang daming tao dito sa RCB Racing Boy. Ang maganda sa RCB yung ano nila no? Yung brake lever. Ito, mags. Now we have Motolite here. Siyempre subok na to sa battery. And AMSOIL. Ito yung gamit natin na oil sa Z9 natin. Teka, baka makamura tayo dito Do for PMS na rin kasi si Z9 So may discount daw ngayon, less 15%.
Yes, sir.
Dito naman yung quick tires. Ang laki ng booth nila sa gitna. Pakalaking gulong nito guys. TRC Racing. And we have Michelin here din. Kaya for me, kung gulong ang pag-uusapan, Pirelli and Michelin na lang naman pagpipilian mo dyan For me, yan ang top 2 brands. Hello ma'am, good morning. And Alpine Stars. Yung mga discount sila, 30% off. Ito mga e-scooters ulit. Nauuso na rin ng mga e-scooters ngayon no? Maganda rin to Matte black. Laki rin yung upuan. Raider 150. Nipis ng gulong no? Hindi ako fan ng ganitong theme pero marami rin nga may gusto nito Ito parang frame na lang no? PCX 160. Ganda. Ito na yung mga pangdiinan na scooters. Grabe tong Giorno Plus na to. Sobrang solid no? Yan ito guys, ito yung favorite ADV natin Project Lex Tech. Tignan nyo naman yung kulay guys. Carbon handlebar. Actually, majority ng motor carbon All-ins and legit Acra exhaust. Yung bagong NMAX no? TechMax to since gold yung NMAX emblem. Meron ding yellow stitching sa upuan. Nakalagay naman pala dito, TechMax. Ang nauuso ngayon yung mga may character sa design no? Mga scooter. Ito si Donald Duck. Kasi may Mickey Mouse. Ito naman Vespa Donald Duck. Hey, morning.
Araw mo, so hintay natin
Hi, morning. And shoutout sa Yuasa. Ito yung gamit natin na battery sa Z900. Petron Sprint. Oil din. Hi, morning. And we are here sa Access Plus Group. Morning. Sir Dre. Morning.
Enjoy, stay racing.
Thank you. Good morning. Thank you. And we have Villain here. 01 Moto Boss Arch. Ito yung selection nila dito. And we have JRP here. Yung mga flat seat nila. Puro discounted yung items sila dito, guys. Alright. So napabili tayo dito sa Motul. 900 pesos sa labas to, pero dito 655 lang. Sakto, kailangan natin magpa-PMS ng Z9. Ang laki na lang natipid natin sa oil. May pa-t-shirt pa, Motul. Maraming salamat po. Alright, Motul tayo. Motul, baka naman. Hi ma'am, good morning. Palabas na lang tayo, nabudol pa tayo dito sa Imprint Customs. Ito kasi, buy 2 for 1.5. Alright, so sana nag-enjoy kayo sa pasyal natin today. And doon sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please click the subscribe button below and like and share the video. So kita-kits sa next one. Ingat kayo lahat palagi. Always ride safe. Peace out.